In the year 2100, humanity faced a sobering realization. The damage inflicted upon the Earth was so extensive that drastic measures were required to ensure the planet's recovery. This period, known as the Retreat, was marked by a radical shift in human civilization. The decision was made to temporarily abandon the surface of the Earth, allowing nature the time and space needed to heal from centuries of exploitation and degradation. The Retreat was a bold and unprecedented move. Governments, scientists, and global leaders collaborated to devise a comprehensive plan for humanity to live away from the Earth's surface for 50 years. Advanced technologies and innovations facilitated the construction of massive self-sustaining habitats in space and beneath the ocean. These new living environments were designed to support human life while minimizing ecological footprints. As humanity transitioned to these new habitats, the Earth was left to undergo a process of natural regeneration. Over the course of 5 decades, ecosystems began to recover. Forests, once decimated by logging and wildfires, started to regrow. Oceans, previously choked with plastic and pollutants, saw a resurgence of marine life. Endangered species made a comeback as their habitats were restored and protected from further human encroachment. Life in the habitats was not without its challenges. The initial years were marked by a steep learning curve as humanity adapted to new ways of living. Resources were carefully managed, and sustainability was at the forefront of all activities. Innovations in agriculture, energy production, and waste management became crucial for the survival and well-being of the population. Despite the hardships, the spirit of resilience and cooperation flourished as people worked together to make this radical experiment a success. Education and cultural preservation took on new significance during the Retreat. Schools and universities within the habitats focused on teaching sustainable practices and the importance of environmental stewardship. Arts and cultural activities played a vital role in maintaining a sense of identity and continuity amidst the profound changes. The lessons of the past were ingrained in the consciousness of new generations, emphasizing the need to protect and cherish the natural world. As the 50-year mark approached, anticipation grew for humanity's return to the Earth's surface. The Retreat had been a time of reflection, learning, and growth. It was a period that underscored the interdependence of all life forms and the critical importance of living in harmony with the environment. In the year 2150, humanity began the process of returning to the surface. What they found was a world transformed. The Earth had undergone a remarkable recovery, with ecosystems restored to their former glory and the climate stabilizing. The return was not just a physical relocation, but a profound reconnection with the planet. Humanity emerged from the Retreat with a renewed sense of purpose and a deep commitment to ensuring that the mistakes of the past were not repeated. The Retreat stands as a testament to the power of collective action and the possibility of redemption. It is a chapter in our history that highlights the potential for humanity to correct its course and forge a sustainable future. The experiences and innovations of this period laid the foundation for a new era of environmental consciousness and technological advancement. The lessons of the Retreat continue to inspire efforts towards ecological balance and the responsible stewardship of our planet. The return to the surface in 2150 marked the beginning of a new chapter for humanity, one defined by a harmonious coexistence with nature. It was a time of great optimism and potential, as the knowledge and technologies developed during the Retreat were applied to create a sustainable and prosperous future. This period of rest and recovery had not only healed the Earth, but had also transformed humanity, imbuing it with a sense of unity and a vision for a better world. As we reflect on the Retreat, we are reminded of the resilience of the Earth and the capacity for human innovation and cooperation. It is a powerful example of what can be achieved when we prioritize the health of our planet and work together towards a common goal. The legacy of the Retreat lives on, guiding us as we continue to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the future.